Jonathan Blow is a real programmer. He doesn't vibe code. He doesn't even use Unity or Unreal. A decade after going back-to-back with classic indie games Braid and The Witness, Blow is looking to cement his legacy in the games industry with another one, separating himself from his one-hit wonder indie peers. Order of the Sinking Star is another puzzle game masterpiece 10 years in the making. Developed in a custom game engine in Blow's new game programming language, Jai. Blow actually created a whole new low-level language for game developers to replace C++. By the way, Jai can compile a clean debug build of Order of the Sinking Star over 300,000 lines of code in under 3 seconds.
Wow.
The game has no AI-generated anything, all handcrafted by humans with love. He even streamed a lot of the development of his game over the years on his Twitch and his YouTube channel. His streams are a great resource for learning game development. Look, if Blow goes 3 for 3 with his newest game, Order of the Sinking Star, we're gonna have to start having some conversations about the greatest indie devs of all time. We're talking 3 unique indie puzzle games, no sequels, all highly rated and commercially successful. If he pulls off the three-peat, we'll know it's not a fluke.
It's like, do you even lift? Like, just lift code every day.
I've now put up double-digit hours playing Blow's massive new demo and I'm loving it. The puzzles are clever and challenging. The art and sound design are beautiful. The gameplay progresses at a great pace to keep you hooked.
We were so professional, and he was so incredibly rude.
Now, the dialogue could use some work, but you can just ignore it and keep solving puzzles. I found that playing the game feels like I'm using the same part of the brain that solving chess puzzles does. It forces you to think creatively about the solutions. As a bonus, it kind of feels like I'm keeping my mind sharp by doing brain exercises, which is welcomed in an age of mindless entertainment and doom scrolling. Now, the origin story of Blow's new game is kind of crazy. Anyone remember the game Block Dude for the TI-83 graphing calculator? I used to play that game instead of listening during math class. Well, Block Dude is what's called a Sokoban game. A game where you solve puzzles by pushing boxes around. The word Sokoban actually originates from the Japanese word for factory worker. So, Blow found these 4 old Sokoban puzzle games with the most basic pixel art you can imagine. He licensed them and recreated all 4 games with significantly improved graphics and reimagined gameplay. Heroes of Sokoban is a game where heroes use their special abilities to move boxes and avoid enemies. Mirror Isles is a game where a magic mirror is used to teleport things.
Onward.
Promise is a game where you collect gems and use them to power beams of light that give special abilities. Skipping Stones to Lonely Homes is a game where you skip stones across the water and use lily pads to move around. So Order of the Sinking Star is a fusion of these 4 games and has over 1,000 challenging and creative puzzles. It might just be the most ambitious puzzle game of all time. Here's the best part. He plans to officially release Jai along with the game engine used for Order of the Sinking Star for free after launch. Now, why would anyone spend 10 years making a game in the hardest way possible and then give away his custom engine for free? Well, Blow said he doesn't do it for the money. He is passionate about the craft and wants to make something unique and leave his mark on the world, a noble cause. The free demo has over 100 levels that you can complete at your own pace. Some nights I might do 1 or 2 puzzles, and others I'll have a longer session and go through 10 or more at a time. The demo has gotten overwhelmingly positive reviews on Steam, and Blow expects the reviews to get even better when the full game drops. My prediction is the game will get a rating over 8.5 on IGN, and Blow will complete the three-peat with back-to-back-to-back hit indie games. So put some respect on Jonathan Blow's name. Thanks for watching, everyone. Let me know your predictions for Order of the Sinking Star in the comments, and stay tuned for more, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Peace.